Cheers. Here's to the working man. Let's get into it today. Market up or down? The market was down today, but like I've been saying, market has gone nowhere since the end of October. This is sideways. Do not get distracted by all the media and all the stuff. We're not going nowhere. We will do some dessert first. So let's go and check out just the summary page. You can see the 1 year up 53%. I don't know anybody up that much. If you do, link me. I'll subscribe to them and watch their stuff. Let's go to the brokerage statement for that account. Dividends and interest here, 45 cents. So let's go ahead and put that in the account here. And we had an awesome trading month that month. We were sitting mainly in cash, so no surprise there. But we killed our monthly goal, and we'll continue to kill it. So let's switch over here to investing mode. And you can see counts up 59%. Again, I don't know anybody doing that. And here is the statement. So we have dividends and substitute payments. Add those up, it to be like 469. And let's go ahead and put that in here. So 469. And then this is just half. That's what I put in my bank. Right. Follow the same old song and dance. Put it on here as a visual representation. Remember, this gets no deposit. This was only a portion of the trading profits. None of my real money got put into this account. So you can see we'll measure quarter over quarter. This quarter was 1449 over 1350. So quarter over quarter, up and to the right. This is Wealth Building and Investing 101. Life is good. Back to the account here. And we've got some record keeping to kind of catch up on. I'm going to use the mobile phone because it's just easier. It's crazy, but it is. But you can see all the accounts are doing well. I hope you're doing well. If you're doing well, please let me know down in the comments. I put some effort into this stuff, and it's nice to see people win. So we've got yesterday was a market up day, and we sold Docs at 74.27 per share. And sold HTGC right up here at the top. Looks like 16.82 a share. Are you selling stocks on up days? I hope so. And I hope you're selling stock on down days too. So the brokerage account here has 4 stocks. So 2, 3, 4. I believe we are all set here. SM, FDS, GPN. Got NOG. GPN sold as well. It sold on the 6th. 70.53. Nice. All right. Now we're down to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it's a little boring, but the record keeping is truly important, especially if you're figuring out how you want to do your trading plan. Today's not too important. I use that starting off to figure out what my annualized return would be, right? I want to make sure I'm beating the S&P 500. You can see we're here for the month up 1178, which is halfway to our goal for the month, and we're not halfway through the month, but we're on pace. You can see here that triggers another $10 buy into investing. So we'll handle that. All right. So we have $3.93 plus the 10. I'm still trying to get my initial deposit in there, but you can see the slices. All right. Actual over target. So the core is the one that is under allocated. Just going to hit a buy here. It's buying the S&P 500, nothing crazy. But we're going to put 1393. How exciting. Now our goal is to go trade and make more money. So when we get to the next 20 and so on and so forth, but once this gets to 500, then seat belts on, chin straps on the helmet, the whole nine, up and away we go. But as we continue through the investing account and statements, those numbers should increase because we have more money. Make sense? Hope so. Nod. Remember, this whole account was created with $10 a week deposit. That deposit has been stopped, but it still, even though there's no deposit, cranks out monthly income, and it should pay forever. Awesome. So as we go through the trading plan, the stock market was down today. So we need to check out the screener, but we want to look for stocks that we already own in order from smallest to largest. So NOG and HRB. NOG is not on here, but here is H&R Block. Got low PEs, no debt, dividends are good. Nothing has really changed. 32.63 HRB. I'm not discouraged that we're still continuing to buy this thing and it still goes down. That doesn't bother me in the least bit. But what would scare me now that wouldn't scare me when I started was if you don't continue to buy this thing. That's very scary. Because math is my market advantage. It's very simple but very powerful. And that's how I make money when the stock market goes down, because I use math. I have an advantage against the stock market. Okay. And you do too. They don't check your credit score. They didn't ask me about my last employer. When I buy stocks, I'm as anonymous as you, except for maybe some dark pool stuff, which really doesn't matter yet. Limit order, good till cancel with extended hours always. I'm just buying one share because I want to keep my position size to 1% of my total account, which would be roughly $25. Simple. It's not easy, but it's very simple. This one is actually SM after the merger, and then FDS. Let's knock these out. And we'll keep her nice and tight and short. 2 videos in one. And I'm as fast as the computer is, waiting just to ride along with you. No SM here. We have FDS. We've been getting bombed in this thing. And that does not discourage me either as long as it fits the system. So we have dividends. Debt is high, but it's under our limits. And we have good PEs. 204.81. Look how far this thing has dropped since we started buying it. Still buying it. All right. Bada bing, bada bing. Most of our accounts in this stock here, it won't be so overweighted. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours always. It won't be so overweighted as the account grows. it will just simply be 1% of the total count. Now we've bought all the stocks that we currently own that fit the system. Still have $1,000 in cash. So next step of my trading plan is I'm looking for stocks that are in my universe. Okay, ADP is in my universe. That's the only one. We'll check it out. PEs are too high, so we're going to go right to the next one. Now we're just going, the next step of the trading plan is alphabetical. PEs are too high. Thank you, but no thank you. KMPR, PEs are in range. We've got dividends here and low debt. 32.50 KMPR. If y'all appreciate this, hit the like button for me, would you? It's a pretty small ask. People go in phases, but people tend to be watching right now. So if I've recently met you, or if you're new to the deal, check out the older stuff. You can see how we turn nothing into this monster of a cash flow making machine. It's truly impressive, and anybody can do it. The right mindset and a little bit of discipline. All right, so on to the screener. PennyMac. The debt right here. See this debt over equity? It's over 4, and there's a reason for that. They're involved in mortgages, but I just keep a consistent system that I don't have to worry about stuff like that, and I just stay consistent. All right, we've got UNM, a little bit of life insurance, it looks like. Add these up, divide by 2. That will be under 15, which is in range. We've got dividends, and we've got a super low debt. 71.74 UNM. It was nice to be able to add to the investing account. It is just the same as anything else. I'm taking active income, which is trading, and I'm putting it into the stock market as passive income. But the difference is, as your trading account scales, you can make thousands of dollars per trade instead of getting a second job and making hundreds. You have to get in a vehicle that can scale, or you will live and die poor. You will be broke. That is just math. It is not good or evil, fair, unfair. That's just math. So learn the ways or enjoy your life. Come on, baby. Might be the last one, but we're going to take care of it and do a thorough job here. Haven't even had to look at it the last few days. VeriSign, little software company, PEs are high as expected. So big picture, if you look at it, we'll go ahead and compare. We looked at the other accounts. We're up 50-some% each. You know, the stock market was up 16% so far this year. It's up 1%. We're totally destroying the stock market. Average people can beat the stock market. It's not that difficult once you have a plan that works and the conviction to stick to it. But again, just as everybody else says, this is not financial advice, but I'm an average dude. I just got done working at a factory, little shift, and I kill the markets year in, year out, day in, day out. It's not even close. And this is how I do it. So hopefully it can help you develop your own trading plan. But remember, you got to make your own decisions. And if you lack the discipline or you have a weird relationship with money, you can lose money in the stock market. But I'm excited for the things that are happening. And I hope this is helpful to you. If it is, let me know in person or in the comment section down below. Leave a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed and share this with the maybes in your life. There are some people that if they're exposed to it even a little bit, they latch on very quickly. But somebody has to give them the introduction. So do that. And if you've got extra time, check out the playlist, increase your knowledge count. I do hope this helps you. I don't make anything from this. I'm just trying to help people, and I got nothing to sell you. So if you got questions, reach out. But this is what I do. If you do something else, ask somebody else the questions. Have a great evening, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.